So in West Africa, there's a seasonal monsoon that develops each summer as the land surface heats up faster than the ocean and moist air is sucked in from over the ocean, rises and falls out as rainfall. The concern we have about the West African monsoon is that it could be disrupted in the future, particularly by warming of the ocean in what's called the Gulf of Guinea. In general, our global models show potentially tipping point changes in the future where, for example, a 3-degree warming in the sea surface of the Gulf of Guinea could be enough to trigger a collapse of the seasonal monsoon circulation in West Africa. Clearly, this could have major implications for the people living there. Now, strangely, we're not sure exactly what implications this will have in the Sahel, the region nearer the Sahara. One possibility is that, bizarrely, although there's less monsoonal moisture coming from the south, the atmospheric circulation could change in a way that moist air was drawn in from the west and actually wetted and greened up parts of the Sahel. The possibility that in the future the Western Africa and the Sahel could get greener is one of the few examples of a potentially positive or good tipping point. And a best case scenario, that would mean that the region would support more vegetation, potentially improved food production, and it would certainly in those terms become a better place to live for the people who are already there. In the worst case scenario, if we see a tendency towards more droughts in the Sahel, well, we already know from recent experience that can lead to heavy death tolls and people essentially trying to migrate to escape the drought region, so really detrimental effects for the people living there.